right? I got scammed. Seriously. Means I can return this one. What's up my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel. I received the duplicate sneakers of Puma Running System X. If you know this channel, I already reviewed a Puma Running System winterized version, and Puma Rs-X is one of my favorite sneaker guys. One of the sneaker I bought from Tata Click and the other sneaker which I bought from the Puma store itself. This is the first time I tried in Flipkart. I will return that. There is an option to return that, but still this should not be happening in the first case. And I'm lucky that I can figure it out that it's not an original one and it's a fake one. And I thought it would be helpful for you guys to spot the differences. I will quickly show you guys where I felt it off the moment I opened the package. The number one, the box condition. See this box condition guys. The box is like almost torn and it is in pretty bad shape. It's a box guys. You are not going to keep it for a long time. So it is fine. And second thing, the color of this box. Puma Running System sneakers or Puma high-end sneakers in general, they come with the green color box, which you can see in this video, but not with this box. Okay, let's assume that the box must have been spoiled and they must have sent a box of the other shoe. No, that's not the case. Here it's written Puma RS Toys, no Rs-X, just RS Toys, and the color as black and size 43. And you can see the sticker is on top of the other sticker. This barcode is a fake barcode. They pasted a sticker on top of the sticker of the other shoe box in order to make you believe that these are Puma Rs-X. These are the minor things which I noticed. Puma shoe box of other shoe. That's the reason they have the Puma address. This is authentic, which is there on this side, but this one is fake. And immediately after seeing the box in this condition and the box being in red color, my doubt started and I opened it. Can you believe this? The shoes are there in this plastic cover. Puma Rs-X shoes, generally they come with a very good packaging guys, not in this cheap plastic cover. These are the shoes which are priced at 9,000 rupees. Do you expect this? The same sticker which the seller pasted outside, the sticker is there on this color. And then the moment I picked up the shoe, I felt a little bit weird because of one simple reason, the mesh. For the upper portion of this shoe, it will not be this flimsy and this loose for the Puma Rs-X, because I was using those sneakers from last 1.5 years, so I know in and out. And even if you see this laces also, you can immediately see the differences. The laces are not of good quality. If you see this, the running system, where they have mentioned this running system on top of the tongue, the color is off. Once you start observing that, you can see all the negatives from the shoe and you can easily spot it's a fake one. One, when it comes to the outer sole, the color is off. It's a bad paint job they did. And second thing, the glue is off everywhere. Wherever it have to be glue, you can literally see the glue. And also, there is no proper lining to it. And it is so off that when it comes to the black color here, you can see the black color is almost like a little bit on the white color. And this is like very hard. When it comes to the Puma Rs-X, actually this one is little bit having that spongy kind of feel because inside they have that EVA sponge. I thought that okay, let's give it a try. I will wear this and see how comfortable they are. By the time I got to know, yes, this is a fake, I'm going to return that, but just I wanted to see the comfort. And obviously, this is a fake shoe and Puma Rs-X is one of the comfortable sneaker you can buy from Puma. And this is not even 1/4 of how comfortable it is. It is comfortable at this tongue area, I'm not going to lie. At this tongue area, somehow they managed it to make this comfortable, even though there is no sponge to it, even though there is no proper uniformity to it, but still it is comfortable. The moment you step the insole, it is as hard as a rock guys. The sides and this tongue portion is comfortable. The insole is super hard, but one thing I have to give props to them. The undersole of the shoe with minor imperfections, they got it right. Overall, don't get fooled by the online retail site. It's not with their online retail sites, I feel. It's with the sellers. But yes, it is the fault of the online retailers as well, because they have to do the quality check. Okay, if they list them as a generic one and sell this at 2,000 rupees, who can't afford this and who wants to try this Puma running system and they can't afford the original ones? Knowing that it's a copy, knowing that it's a replica, they are going to buy. But that's not the case. They are listing this as an original one and listing at the same price. even though it's being a fake and replica, and then offering discount of 40% or 45% so that they can lure the buyers. And unfortunately, if someone can't recognize that it's a fake one, they must be using that in a perception that it's an original Puma sneaker, but they must be using a fake one. I spent 4,500 rupees on the sneakers, which is not less by any means, and at the end I got these fake ones. Luckily, I know how the Puma running system sneakers are because I love them. In case if this is my first sneaker, I would have been trapped. So please be careful guys while shopping these kind of expensive sneakers on the online e-commerce sites. If you are sure about those sneakers and if you trust the seller and see the seller ratings before doing that, and also if possible go to the store. In case if you're not buying at the store, also go to the store, try it once. You will feel the comfort of it, and you can observe the sneaker closely when you get a chance to go to the store. And then once you see this, at least you will be better equipped to judge whether it is a real one or a fake one. That's it from me. Please don't get scammed or fooled like this from these kind of sellers. See you guys next time.